In a quiet corner of the city of kindness, Arian found himself standing before a misty path that led to an ancient, forgotten well. "What's this place? It feels special," Arian whispered, his eyes wide with curiosity. A soft glow emanated from his compass, guiding him towards the mysterious well. In the middle of the clearing, there was an ancient well, the wishing well of lost hopes, the calm and thoughtful voice of the narrator explained. The well, though once vibrant with wishes and dreams, now lay silent. Why are the wishes not shining? Arian pondered, sensing a mysterious stillness. Suddenly, a gentle voice broke the silence. "Some dreams are lost because they were never believed in. The wishing well needs kindness to bring them back to life," said the fairy, appearing beside Arian with a comforting glow. Determined, Arian knew what he had to do. "Let's make these wishes come true," he declared, his spirit filled with unwavering resolve. His mission began by helping a young girl retrieve her kite, lost to the wind's playful whims. "Here's your kite back, friend," he said with a warm smile. "Thank you, Superboy," the girl exclaimed, gratitude shining in her eyes. Arian's journey continued as he encouraged a group of children to embrace the joy of rain. "Let's have fun in the rain," he shouted, leading them in a dance of joyful splashes. Later, he noticed a woman struggling under the weight of heavy bags. "Let me help you with that," he offered generously. "How kind of you, thank you," the woman replied, her burden lightened by Arian's kindness. With each act of compassion, the wishing well began to glow brighter, a testament to hope reborn. Wishes floated upwards, shimmering in the air. Kindness brings back the magic. Arian cried out joyfully as the well shone with vibrant colors and the radiant energy of countless dreams. "You did it, Superboy," the fairy announced proudly. The wishing well of lost hopes became the wishing well of bright hopes, full of dreams and kindness. The narrator's voice wrapped up the episode, conveying the power of kindness. Filled with joy and purpose, Arian proclaimed, "Let's make every wish come true." And thus, Arian learned that kindness, a simple yet profound gift, has the power to reignite lost dreams and make every wish a reality.